Hello everyone. I just thought I would do a Mandalay room tour for you. I'm staying in a standard 2-queen room, strip view on the 11th floor. And as you walk in, nice little entryway. There's a nice full-length mirror here for you. And you come in, and over here on the side you have a desk if you do want to work here. And apologies for the mess. I've been living in here for a few days. But you've got all your hookups there for anything you might want to hook up. Lots of charging cables. Nice, decent sized TV. And you've got a lamp on either side. You do have some nice dresser space. Unfortunately, the refrigerator is just the mini bar. There's no refrigerator of your own. They do have some nice items, however, pricey. They do have a coffee maker in here. However, you have to purchase the kit from the minibar. And I looked at the price, and one of these, it's enough for 2 cups of coffee, and it's $12. So I guess $6 if you're going to go to Starbucks anyway. $6 isn't bad. But I'm going to guess that the Starbucks coffee is probably going to be better. Or they have, right outside the elevators, they have a really nice little bar coffee area that is also nice. However, it's always, every time I've gone by there in the morning, it's a super long line. So I always bring my own little coffee maker, bring some coffee. It's very light, weighs less than a pound. I travel with it. It's great. Now, Mandalay does have actual glassware. Some nice wine glasses. Caesars, please take a hint and get rid of the paper cups. If I have wine in my room in the evening, I do not want to drink that out of a paper cup. I'm sorry. Then you have a little sitting area here. 2 chairs. A nice lamp. And then right now I have the queen room. I think if you had the king room, you might also have like a little couch, but I'm not sure. But the beds are nice. I've slept on them. The pillows are comfortable. The bed is very comfortable. And you have your typical phone. And there's a nice little iHome plug-in. You have some plugs on the lamp, so I plug in my chargers. And then another little drawer right here. And then there's closets on either side. And your safe is in this closet, along with your ironing board and iron. Typical standard hotel issue stuff. The safe is big enough to hold a laptop. I've got my laptop in there. And then another closet on the other side, pretty much the same. In the bathroom, when you walk in, have double sinks, very nice. Plenty of towels, hair dryer, mirror, nice big mirror. And then the shower is a good sized shower. The water pressure is so-so. Kind of depends on the time of day. But you do have a nice tub. It is not a jacuzzi tub, but it's big enough to soak. And then, of course, behind that door is your toilet. Pretty sure everybody's seen a toilet, so I don't need to show you that. And then the view. This is the strip view room. See if we can see anything with the lights on in here. Have a view of the whole strip down the way. Luxor, Excalibur. You can see all the way down to Aria and Treasure Island. You see the Paris Tower. Zoom in a little bit for you. MGM Grand is not, well, it looks like it's not that far away, but trust me, it's a hike. And then you also have a nice view of the airport. If you enjoy sitting and watching planes land and take off, there you go. So yeah, this is a nice room, nice view, very comfortable. But I would definitely stay here again. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about anything here in the room or Mandalay. I'd be happy to answer for you. And if you enjoy videos like this or even Vegas vlogs, things like that, please hit that subscribe button because I'll have plenty of more content for you. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.